Hello, first grade. Today is lesson 61 for Saxon Phonics. We are going to be talking about a new letter sound today. But first, we are going to talk about blends. And remember, blends occur when there are two letters put together to make a sound. And so I want you to say the word boast. Boast. What is the final blend in boast? St is the blend. So say the word boast without the blend. Bow, very good. Let's try a few more. Repeat the word risk. Risk. What is the blend in risk? Sk. Say the word without it. Ri. Good. Repeat the word trust. Trust. What is the blend in trust? St. Say the word without the final blend. Tra. Very good. Best. Best. What is the blend in best? St. Say the word without it. Be. Very good. And last one, toast. What is the final blend in toast? Say the word without it. Toe. Very good. All right. I want you to echo some more words and listen for the sound in the final position. Shy. Try. Sky. What sound do you hear in the final position of shy, try, sky? I. Very good. And what vowel do you know that makes the I sound? I, right? Look at these words. Shy, try, sky. Do you see an I in them? No, they don't have vowel I. What letter do you see that could make the I sound? Right, the letter Y is unusual because sometimes it acts as a consonant and sometimes it acts as a vowel. When Y acts as a vowel, it usually says I, the long I sound. So one trick to help you decide if I is acting as a vowel or a consonant is to look at where it is in the word. So if Y is at the beginning of a word in the initial position, it's probably acting as a consonant. But if Y is in the middle or in the final position, it's probably acting as a vowel. And so, since vowel Y acts like a long I sound, we are going to put a dot over the Y's to remind us they're acting as vowels. So we're going to put a dot over the Y, dot, and a dot. Okay. Are these words shy, try, and sky accented? Yes, they are. All one-syllable words are accented. And we code vowel Ys just like we code other vowels. So when the letter I is open and accented, we code it with a macron. So these Ys are open and accented, so we are going to also put a macron. We're going to put the macron over the dot to show that it is making a long sound. It's saying I. So whenever you see Y at the end of a word, it will most likely be a vowel. So we're going to try some different examples, okay? So listen to these words and see if you can tell me what vowel sound the Y is making. The first word that I am writing on my board is the word crystal. I'm also going to write the word myth. All right, what sound is the Y making in crystal and myth? Right. In these words, the Y is making the short I sound. They say eh. So we are going to put a breve above the Y's. What else do we have to do with vowel Y's? Just like before, we're going to put a dot underneath the breve. Now let's finish coding these words, okay? We need a K back on the C in crystal. I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel sound. The Y is already coded. What do we need above the A? Crystal. We are putting the upside down E above crystal. And which syllable is accented in crystal? The first one. Put your accent mark. Do you see any other coding for the word myth? Myth. Digraph TH needs to be underlined. Myth. Very good. Let's look at our new picture card. Our keyword for vowel Y that ends in the I sound is something that babies and young children do often. We can do this if we are upset or are sad. And tears come out of our eyes when we do this. What is on my picture card? Cry. Cry. When you see this card, say cry, I. The keyword cry helps us remember the I sound of vowel Y because cry ends in I. Okay. We also have two new sight words today. These are rhyming words. The first word is move. Say the word move. Let's spell move together. M-O-V-E. Move. Can you use the word move in a sentence? Please move your car out of the driveway. Did you think of a different sentence? Move. This word ends the same. Love. Love. Let's spell love. L-O-V-E. Love. Can you use the word love in a sentence? I love going to school. Love. So we had move and love that we will add to our sight word stacks. The last thing that we need to do today is talk about how we will now write the sound for I. Before, when we wrote the sounds for I, we put I, consonant E, comma I. This is what we normally put, but we learned today that final Y makes the I sound. The vowel Y can sometimes say I. So we are going to add to I, consonant E, comma I, final Y. Final Y. We are going to get ready to do our worksheet now.